Oh man, this song is grooving. I think that a Subsurf on this wouldn't be too bad. The problem with Subsurf is they make everything kind of look like it's from the 90s. It doesn't look too bad here, actually. Except for on this, I'm gonna have to change this anyways, but good enough. When I have that there, I will just delete those vertices and then connect these faces. A smooth criminal. That doesn't look half bad, actually. That looks like a somewhat realistic projector. I'm kind of proud of that, actually. How simple that was. Okay, so take that, and then put it in the editor. Unwrap cube projection. That looks good enough to me. Projector. Back into Unity. Ooh, one thing I never checked. How does... Okay, good. You can't even see the trust fund. I was worried about that for a second. So we go inside level 1. Oh, perfect. And I can have this sit right on the MIDI splitter. There we go! Yeah, oh, sorry, is the music too loud? Sorry. There we go. Music should be slightly better now. Sorry about that. Alright, so this is the light that I'm currently using for the projector light, so I'm just going to move that right up to the lens. Alright, and then choose a flare for it. Ooh, yeah, and that's the end of the song, so I'm just gonna choose something else. Sure, that other random Monstercat track. Hope it's good. Alright, so light flares. Where are all the good flares? Okay. Remember there being more here. Random is that has built-in button. I like the area of the background, but it's clickable. What I would do, E6, is I would create invisible buttons that, or buttons that just don't render, that go over that area. I think you can do that. I think you can like register the button with Unity and then just tell it not to render. I try that. There we go, that's not too bad. Alright, look it up. Oh man. Flare City! Hold on, make sure you can't see those from here. Good, I don't think that you can. That's really good. Yeah, or you could just put something out in 3D Space, give it a transparent shader, and look for a on-clicked event. That'd be another good way to do it. Okay, so now with 1. I'm just gonna give it some random texture. just to make it stand out a little. Just matte black. There we go. Don't look half bad. Alright. Ooh. Now we're getting shadows, though. And now we're not again. Alright. I think... What else could we do with this room? Python really? No. Not really. Unless you learned C# enough or JavaScript enough to make a Python compiler, but that's just ridiculous. Just learn the languages that are in Unity, pretty much. C# can do a lot of stuff, and so can JavaScript. Honestly, they're kind of equals almost. I think it's just have two languages so that people don't have to learn one specific one. But it's very extensible. It's great. Yeah, I can never get Python because every time you run it, there's like a console, and I don't like that. Then again, I am a Node.js fan, so I can't talk too much. Yeah, I started off in the web domain, so I am used to the PHPs and the JavaScripts. So, why is that so intense? What light is going that direction? Oh, it's that, isn't it? That's why. I have this light up here as like a construction light, and I have it in the most impossible to select place. But, yep, that's why. I'm personally kind of a Java fanboy, just because that's what I was raised on. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Which one is it that has the range? That better? Oh, so much better. Okay, there we go. I don't know why, it was just... Unity was like, yep, there's nothing in the path of that light. It's cool. Alright. Yeah, I mean, the thing with programming languages is they're all kind of like English on some level, but, you know, you can't extend the metaphor too far, otherwise you start losing functionality. You know, I mean, like, I was raised on Java, and honestly, I don't really like Java that much, just after I've learned about it, because it's just so easy to get an error. Java will error on literally everything. But, you know, I personally really like JavaScript, because, like, the web technologies are really easy to code for. Like, if you make something in HTML, literally nothing is invalid HTML. Like, a browser will take any code. And it'll be generally okay with it. Like, it might not like it might error out to the console, but it won't error out to the user. It'll just display it as plain text if it comes to that. Alright, so basically this hallway is just a show hallway, so I'm going to copy paste it down to the end because it's going to be a show hallway because there's debris in the way of getting to it, so you can't actually get to it and pretty much break the game. I'm pretty much both, to be honest. I have done everything from be a systems architect to be a web designer. I'm actually really good at web design too. Like I will design a amazing looking WordPress theme in like 6 hours, and it pays well too. I'll get like $600 for a 6-hour WordPress theme, which is not bad at all. But this is more fun. The different C languages, basically the difference between them is what level you're working at. Like, C is a very low level language on its own, pretty much. But then, you know, if you go to like C#, that's a more higher level language. So C# is more similar to Java. Oh, and yeah, CSS is not a C language. That's cascading style sheets. That's a web technology. Why did this not copy the way I thought it would? Yeah, I don't know what it is, but Java and C is like the Bloods and the Crips of the coding world. It's just like they all seem to hate each other for some reason, which makes no sense to me. Programmers unite, man. Great thing about this hallway is it doesn't have to be perfect, because this is just a show hallway. It's not a level hallway. So you know what? That's good enough. I'm accepting it. Crap. The lights don't mess up. Shh. We don't talk about that. Failed symmetry. There we go. Show hallway completed. Although I will delete these red lights because you can see both of them in the same scene, and that looks really weird. Good luck, Milkman. Java and CSS? Ooh. yeah, Python, man. I would suggest learning some PHP too, because that's a very, very nice language to learn. Although it seems to be kind of just a random toolbox of assorted tools, some of which kind of work, some of which work in totally unexpected ways, but whatever. Yeah, exactly. Java and CSS. It might just be a crash course on the difference between object-oriented programming and what's the other one? The one cycle. I forget what it's called. That type of programming. Or it might just be maybe web servers in Java? Yeah, it's probably JavaScript and CSS, honestly. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a quick, 2-minute break to go downstairs and get some soda and go to the bathroom and stuff. I'll be right back, so please don't leave. BRB. There we go. That's pleasant enough. I'm not going to be here for a second, and I will start you guys off on some more music. So, be right back.